Hello Flutter enthusiasts! In this video, we're diving into the Elevated Button widget, a powerful tool in Flutter for creating visually appealing and interactive raised buttons. Understanding the elevated button is key to crafting buttons that stand out in your Flutter applications. Let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is an elevated button widget? An elevated button is a Flutter widget used to create a raised button, typically with a filled background, making it visually distinct from the surrounding content. It's a great choice for primary actions in your app, like submitting a form or initiating a key function. Now, let's get hands-on and create an elevated button. Here's a basic example of an elevated button widget in your Flutter code. You set the onPressed property to specify the function that should be executed when the button is pressed. Customize the style property to define the visual appearance of the button, such as text color, background color, and more. Let's explore the styling options for the elevated button. You can customize the style property using elevatedButton.StyleFrom to set properties like foreground color and background color for color, elevation for shadow, and shape for button shape. This allows you to create buttons that seamlessly fit into the visual theme of your app. Take your elevated button to the next level by adding both image, icons, and text. Combine the image and text widgets within the elevated button to create a button with both visual elements. This is especially useful for creating buttons that convey both text information and visual cues. Just like in text button. Sometimes, you may want to disable your elevated button. You can do this by setting the onPressed property to null. This is handy when the button's functionality is not available in certain states of your app. As we did in text button in another video. In conclusion, the elevated button widget is your go-to choice for creating prominent, interactive buttons in Flutter. With its flexibility in styling and straightforward usage, it's a must-have in your Flutter UI toolkit. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of elevated button, go ahead and elevate the user experience in your Flutter applications. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.